Hey guys, what's going on? It's YoAnty. I got two brand new sneaker pickups coming in from my friends at Hibbett Sports. I want to thank Hibbett for gifting me these sneakers. Always appreciative when cool things come in like this. I've got a pair of Under Armour Curry 6s and a pair of Puma RSX toys. So two really solid sneakers. I'm going to get into the Pumas first. I think I like these the best out of the two. Puma RSX toys. We got Puma White, Puma Royal for a color. This is a size 9, my true size. And I'm going to break these out right now. They obviously have that dad shoe vibe, which is obviously very popular and still in. Puma's done a very good job creating new models, bringing back some old models, and really going all out with that retro dad shoe look. This one specifically, the colors on it just really cool with just the very primary colors, the yellow, red, and blue. Comfort cushion on these is crazy, so comfortable. These are available at Hibbett Sports. I'll put a link in the description, as well as a link to the Curry 6s. Check the description if you want to buy them. Make sure you check out Hibbett's website. Great return policy, great selection on there, all types of perks. You guys know I've been working with Hibbett for over a year. You know all the great stuff they have. I'll post a link to their app and Instagram as well. Unbelievable bottom. Like, to me, this just screams like 80s and 90s with the colors, and just the different color blocking in these is crazy. The tongue says RSX with the Puma logo. Says running system along the tongue as well. And then on the inside, you have more Puma branding that says running system. Also right here on the side panel, RS running system. Do have a mesh toe box with some nubuck around the front of the toe. Overall, just a really solid model. Very current, very in right now with what's going on with sneakers. This sweater kind of matches with the blue too. It would be a nice little fit with a pair of jeans, this, good to go. Next up is the Curry 6. To me, this is up there. I think the Curry 2s are one of my favorite, but this is up there with one of the best Under Armour Curry models I've seen. I love low top. It almost right off the bat reminds you of like a Kobe model because of the low top and the look. Quick glance, to me these look like, you know, a form of a Kobe. It does kind of have that collar, which gives it a little bit more support in the ankle. All kinds of details on this shoe. It may look simple, but the more you look at it, there really is a ton of tech and detail that went into it. This colorway is pretty cool too. Kind of like a fluorescent orange, fluorescent yellow. Of course, Curry's kind of saying on the shoe, I can do all things. You have the SC logo on the bottom. Really nice traction on these two. Super grippy. It can work on and off court. This really cool hexagon print all along the bottom. Almost looks like a carbon fiber. Cushion in these is the hover technology, which is super comfortable. These fit true to size. This is a size 9. I've already tried these on. They feel really solid. Great cushioning on the back. Something I love is the little pull tab on the front. So once you slide your foot in, you know, you can pull that. Makes it easier to get the shoe on and off. The front, there's a little nubuck Under Armour patch. Very durable mesh up on the front. So if you drag your toe, these are going to hold up a little longer. Really cool lacing system as well. There's this little cord that goes all the way around. Will keep your foot extra secure. Steph Curry 30 logo right here. And like a hard TPU plastic. And there's once again these molding and design on the sides, really cool. So this is probably my either favorite or second favorite Curry model. They've done a great job with these over the years. The more popular Curry gets, the better his shoes should get. Two pickups. Once again, thank you Hibbett Sports. Make sure you check the link in the description. Obviously, two different types of shoes. To me, these are, you know, strictly basketball shoes. I don't think I'd really wear them casually, whereas these, I'd wear these straight casually. I wouldn't even run in them. They're more of just a straight, you know, casual lifestyle sneaker. So really great. Thank you Hibbett Sports. Links in the description. Check out their website, everything else. As always guys, thanks for watching. I appreciate it. I'll talk to you in the next one. Take care. Peace.